Hello everyone. Let us see question number 24 in that B. Aluminium oxide is called an amphoteric oxide. Why? So, we know that metal oxides metal oxides are basic in nature because they react with acids. Metal oxides react with acid to form salt and water. Therefore, they are called as basic oxides. Similarly, non-metallic oxides are called as acidic in nature because they form salt and water when they react with base. ಈಗ aluminum oxide is called an amphoteric oxide. Why? Because aluminum oxide reacts with both acid and base to produce salt and water. ಇಲ್ಲಿ aluminum oxide Al2O3 reacts with acid to form salt and water. ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ. This one is balanced chemical equation. ಈಗ ಅಲ್ಯೂಮಿನಿಯಂ ಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಯೂಮಿನಿಯಂ ಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ NaOH, that is base, to give salt. ಯಾವ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ? ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಅಲ್ಯೂಮಿನೇಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. NaAlO2, sodium aluminate plus water. Aluminum oxide reacting with both acid and base. Acid and base to give salt and water. Therefore, this is called as amphoteric oxide. Thank you.